Hey everyone, welcome back to the day 5 of our Linux series. Today we are going to explore one of the most important concepts in Linux, which is the file system hierarchy. Unlike Windows, which has drives like C or D, Linux starts with just one root directory, / and from this single root, the entire Linux operating system branches out into multiple folders, each with its unique purpose. By the end of this video, you will know what each directory does, where your file actually lives, and why Linux feels so structured powerful. So let's jump right in. In Linux, root / is the parent of everything. Every single file and directory exists inside it. When you type ls /, you will see about 17 important directories. Let's go through them one by one. Hey Linux learners, ready to unlock the secrets of Linux system file? Let's dive right in. Number 1. /root directory. The absolute beginning of everything in Linux. Think of it as a trunk of a massive tree. Every single file, every directory, everything branches from here. Without this, Linux simply does not exist. Number 2. /bin. This is where the magic happens. Your everyday superhero commands live here. Want to list files? ls is waiting for you. Need to copy something? cp has got your back. Moving files around? mv is ready to roll. So these commands are so essential that Linux keep them here for instant access. Number 3. /boot. This directory is mission critical. When you hit that power button, this is where the Linux goes first. Your bootloader and kernel files are chilling here, ready to bring your system to file. No boot, no Linux. It's that simple. Number 4. /dev. Hardware meets software. In Linux, everything is a file, even your hardware. Plug in a USB, it becomes a file in /dev. Your keyboard, yup, it's a file too. Hard drives, mice, printers, all files. This is pure Linux genius. Hardware devices disguised as a files for easy management. Number 5. /etc. The brain center. This is where Linux keep its most important secrets. System configurations, service settings, network configurations, it's all here. Think of /etc as a Linux control room where all the behind the scene magic is configured. Number 6. /home. Your digital kingdom. Welcome home. Every user get their own personal space here. Your documents safe in /home. Downloads and pictures all organized in /home. Personal settings, yup, /home again. It's like having your own apartment in the Linux building. Number 7. /lib. Share libraries that make your commands actually work. Without /lib, your fancy commands in /bin would be useless. It's like having the perfect sport team backing up your favorite players. Number 8. /media. Plug in a USB drive or insert a DVD and boom, it appears here automatically. Linux says, here I see the new drive, let me make it easy for you to access. Number 9. /mnt. This is where system admins manually mount storage devices. Want more control over your mounting process? /mnt is your best friend. Number 10. /opt. Got some special application that did not come with Linux. They make themselves comfortable right here in /opt. It's like the guest room for the software. /proc. This directory is virtual. It does not actually exist on your hard drive, but it shows you real-time information about your running processes and kernel. Want to spy on your system? /proc has all the intel. /root. The admin's fortress. VIP access only. This is the exclusive home directory for the root user. Regular users can't touch this. It's the administrator's private sanctuary. /run. The speed demon. Lightning fast. Runtime data lives here. Process IDs, socket, temporary communication, files, and here's the cool part. It gets wiped clean every reboot for a fresh start. /sbin. These are the big guns for the system administration. Need to shut down the system? Commands are here. Want to mount file systems? Tools are waiting. System maintenance? /sbin has everything. /srv. Service Central. Service headquarters. Running a web server, FTP server, their data lives here in perfect organizations. It's like having a dedicated storage for your services. /sys. Want to know everything about your hardware and kernel? /sys provide detailed information in a beautifully organized structure. It's like having X-ray vision for your system. /temp temporary storage paradise. Need somewhere to dump temporary files? /temp welcomes them with the open arms, then automatically cleans up on a reboot. It's like having a self-cleaning room. /usr. This is where most of your applications live. Programs, documentations, libraries, it's all here. Think of /usr as the downtown area of your Linux system. Massive, organized, and full of everything you need. /var. Dynamic Data Central. System logs growing, cache files updating, print jobs waiting. /var handles all the data that constantly changes. It's like the busy warehouse of your Linux system. This structure makes Linux powerful and logical. Want logs? Go to /var/log. Need configs? Check /etc. Your personal files. They are in /home. Once you know this, Linux feels simple. To recap, Linux starts with / and inside it are 17 plus directories, each with a clear role, from booting to user data, from devices to logs. So that's the complete Linux file system hierarchy. Tomorrow in day 6, we will dive into cd command to actually move through these directories in the terminal. Don't miss it, and if this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to FRITHub channel for more daily Linux tutorials. Thank you.